In last video, we'll learn how to get the total year-to-date salary using Power BI. And first is that you provide this DAX function an expression such as total salary and the dates column, the date in the dates table, and then filter year end date. So today we talk about the filter. What is the filter can do? Well, we examine the documentation from Microsoft that the total year to date except a filter. A filter is an expression to specify a filter to apply to the current context. And it actually gives an example with a filter right here. So what does that mean here? So the following formula specifies a fiscal year end date of 6 June, and then you see here. So this is the total sales and the date times provided. And as for the all, you use a table, not a column. So what's the all filter do? Let's look at my Power BI. Now, if you have this Power BI idea book, the way to search all is that you need to check on this both, right? Let's say if you don't have check on this, you find it, you cannot find it. See that you cannot find that easily. But the moment you select the match, you'll find an item, yet you still cannot find faster, right? So select this tool and find. Aha, we got the all. So they all clear the filters and then create a calculation of all the rows in the table. Now we talk about the all in our level 2 or fundamental level. So there are many ways things here. See all, they're all except and so on. Still all. Okay, so let's talk about the all. So over here, I have a year to date. I do a comparison that a year to date that you learned yesterday. We enter the total year to date DAX functions for the expression total salary and the dates. Okay, that gives you a year to date up to the selected month. In this example, I also included a slicer for all the months. So if I am January alone is this two, and I have this year 2021. So there are many ways to choose this. So I have got this year. Select it here. So 2021, yeah, 21 January and February. So as you can see that the year to date keep adding up the previous month's salary, last few months salary. See that here. That's the up to that year to date. Now just keep accumulating or running total. Now as for YTDO, does it make any changes? Now with YTDO is let's just take it here. YTDO is almost similar except that there's an all function. Now if I change it to just all date, see what happened there. Well, basically no difference. You see that? the all seems does not work with the on the dates column. The all seems the total YTD override the all here. So now how do you get the all works? Well, in my research, right, is that the department, when I drag the department here, that's a year to date, and there's also year to date all. Okay, so now I see the year to date all. Now if I change this to say department, now this effect, so essentially it tells you that that the up to March, the year-to-date sales was 500. Wait a minute. Oh, that was this year. Yeah, 1,200,000 something, right? So now the one is 500 is for the 2022, right? So I guess go for 2021. Now up to that this year, this March, the running total salary is 1.2 million. So it's here, right? It's the same 1.2 million. Now, however, in this YTTO, we literally take out the we want all the departments year to date, total year to date. I want all the department, so that's why we use the all here. Yes, we want the total salary, and we want all the department, not just that particular department, although there is a filter here. So this is what we explain in the level 2 of fundamental level. Okay, so let's just do one more example here, right? So I just I just basically I just rewrite it only, right? So I just put a total year to date. So, and then you have the dates table, and here is the different things is that we want to include all filter, and we want just to modify the filter context so that when we do a filter by account on this column, it will remove all the filter on the department filter on the department column. It will include all department, and that's why we get 1.2 million. Okay, so let's just enter this. Oh well, it's no change because I just rewrite right here one more time. Okay, so total year to date, if you want all department, this is how you calculate. And again, you want to review what you learned in level 1 and level 2. It will help you understand better, deeper. Thank you. Thanks for viewing.